In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Client First in Webflow. Whether you're just starting your journey in Webflow or looking to refine your workflow, Client First offers a structured approach to designing clean, scalable websites. With Client First, you'll ensure consistency and clarity across all your Webflow projects. To begin, we're going to start with the Client First clonable. This is essentially your blank canvas provided by FinSuite, from which you can build efficiently. To get started, you'll want to clone the official Client First project from FinSuite. This project is not just a random layout. It includes a well-thought-out set of predefined utility classes, spacing guidelines, typography settings, and a robust structure that will serve as the backbone of your design process. Next, let's dive into the core page structure. Client First is all about keeping things organized and easy to follow. The basic layout involves a hierarchy. We start with the page wrapper, which contains the main wrapper. Inside it, you'll find the section home hero. To add global padding and maintain consistent spacing, use something like Padding Global and house everything in a container large. This framework is designed to keep every page consistent, making it a breeze to navigate and understand no matter the size or complexity of your website. One of the key principles of the Client First methodology is the use of clear, descriptive class names. For custom components, you might use names like Hero Header or Pricing Card. For utility classes, consider using text size large or margin top small. Avoid abbreviations and ambiguous names, as clarity is your friend when managing larger projects. By following a consistent naming convention, you enhance both the readability and the maintainability of your design work. Speaking of utility classes, learning to reuse them can drastically simplify your workflow. Instead of creating new spacing classes over and over again, lean on the existing utilities such as margin top medium, padding section large, and text color primary. Not only does this reduce unnecessary clutter in your CSS, but it also speeds up your design process, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on repetitive tasks. Another important aspect of using Client First is the preference for rem units over pixels when sizing elements. Utilizing rem makes your designs more accessible and ensures better responsive scaling across different devices. This small change can have a significant impact on how your website is experienced by users with diverse accessibility needs and varying display sizes. Lastly, organizing sections consistently is crucial. Clear section names like Section Home Hero, Section Features, and Section Pricing keep related classes grouped under a cohesive naming pattern. This consistency not only aids in development, but also in future updates and collaboration with other team members or clients. With these guidelines in mind, Client First in Webflow becomes a powerful method for creating sharp, professional websites. By ensuring you adopt these principles, you'll be setting yourself up for smoother project management and a more efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!